run Spotty for many, many years and have never had an accident, we thought it was probably time to guard against, just in case we did. So it's with great pleasure we welcome on board R&G as our official crash protection supplier. Now R&G do an immense amount of stuff, and they know their onions. They actually hail from the aerospace industry, and as you all know, that industry does not have jokers involved, only people who know exactly what they're doing. But they do crash protection for all sorts of bikes, stretching back many, many, many years. And even better than that, they do bits for each part, the front, the back, the side, and if that's not all, now they do rear sets and tank pads and all sorts of other stuff as well. For this though, we wanted the basics, so we had wheels, we had bar ends, we had engine crash protection. Most of R&G's kit you can fit yourself. It's actually fairly straightforward if you've got the right tools. However, we had 9 bikes to do, so they actually came down very nicely of them and helped us fit their kit to all of them, which was fabulous.